What's up guys, it's your boy Mad Mike, and on today's episode we're going to be restoring my rims for the fake Ferrari. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you can check out all the content on that build. But today we're going to be polishing up the lip and painting the faces gold. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to get ready to polish up the lips on these old rims. This is an old one here, and as you can see it's pretty oxidized. It's not very shiny at all, and the face of this wheel right here is pretty boring. So what I'm gonna do is paint the faces gold. So I got some high heat engine paint here. That's the gold I wanted. And then to polish the lip, you're gonna need a drill. In my case, I got the Mother's Powerball, some chrome polish, safety glasses, some microfiber towels, and you're pretty much ready to go. Grab your bucket of soapy water. And in this case here, what I've done with this wheel here to get it to this stage is I've wet sanded off all the oxidization. So look at the rear wheels here, you can get a really good idea of all that oxidization and pitting in there. So I went from wet sanding up to 1200, and then I just quickly hit it with the Mother's Powerball, and then now it's looking like this. And once I get it like that, I can add some chrome polish, and then I'll paint the faces. So step 1 is wet sanding the outer lip. Step 2 is going over it with some polishing compound. And step 3 is a secret weapon. So stay tuned to the end and I'll show you my secret chrome polish. Let's get after it. Alright guys, so I got the two front rims all wet sanded down to 1200. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them off with some warm water and start on the two rear tires. There's quite a bit more of a lip on the back tires, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, but I can't wait to see how they turn out once I get rid of all the oxidization. So let's go ahead and start wet sanding the back tires. Take my 1200 grit sandpaper and start wet sanding. You can start off with like 600, 800, work your way up. In my case, the lips are pretty good. They're not too pitted. It's mainly just some dirt that's stuck in the fine grit. So I'm just gonna go right to 1200. Alright, done wet sanding the back rim. Let's go ahead and clean it off and compare it to the other one. See how it looks. But already I can tell it's looking sick. Alright, there's a side-by-side comparison. That one's been wet sanded and that one hasn't yet. So just looking at the rim, you can already see that it's getting a bit of a shine back, and this is the one that came off the car that's still pitted. If you look at here, looking way better. There's still some fine pitting in there. I might go hit it again with some wet sandpaper, a little bit of wet sanding, a little bit of elbow grease. These rims are gonna look sick. Alright guys, I think the rims are all dry. Let's start the polishing process. I got my drill and I got some Mother's chrome polish. So put some of that on here and we'll start polishing up the lips. Let's get after it. that out, guys. Not bad for the first pass. They didn't come out as chrome as I'd like, so I'm gonna do a couple more passes on the same wheel. I got that secret weapon up my sleeve, so I'm probably gonna try that. You know what, let's go ahead and try that, see if it works. So what I got is, can't remember where I put it. So what it is, it's called Auto Sol. It's a metal polish. Grab a clean rag and start rubbing in some of the Auto Sol, kind of in a circular pattern like this, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if it makes it look more chrome. So I'm gonna start with a small area and just rub it around to see if we can see a difference in the area I just applied the Auto Sol to, and the other area I just had the buffing wheel on. Check this out, guys. That's hard work. It's gonna take me a while to do all four. The deep dish on these wheels is crazy, so it's gonna take me a while, but look at the difference. So we got the polish from the buffing wheel, and then we got the Auto Sol metal polish down there that I used, and look at that. That's the chrome look I'm going for. Alright guys, so I got the first wheel done with all the metal polish. It's still a little bit hazy, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a clean microfiber cloth, get the rest of the residue off, and we'll compare how chrome this is compared to just using the Powerball and buffing it. There you have it, guys. The one on the left, I've done the metal polish. The one on the right is just with the Powerball and the mother's chrome polish. So you can see that this almost looks just like a dull aluminum. And over here, it gives off a really good shine. Looks like chrome. That's exactly the look I was going for. But I'm stoked on that. Look how nice that's coming out. I wish it was sunny out because you can't really see the reflection, but that compared to that dull stuff, night and day difference. All right, let's finish the rest of them. All right guys, so I am all done polishing up the lips of the 4 rims. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and paint the faces of them gold, and check these out. Woo! Those are the fronts. Looking super, super glossy. There's another front there. There's the rears. They are gonna look so good. Now that they're reflective too, the gold is just gonna shine off the chrome, give it a really nice look. What's up guys, it's day 2. I'm getting ready to spray the face of the rims gold. So I'm gonna degrease the face, get all that wax off. I'm gonna mask off the rims, and we're gonna lay down some paint. So let's get after it. Alright guys, so I got all the rims degreased, taped up, masked off, so we're ready to lay down some paint. Just went ahead, covered up all the chrome. Not too worried about getting any overspray on the tires because we're going to be swapping these out for some new ones. I cut a little piece of Bristol board out for the back side of the rims so I don't get any overspray on the inner wheel wells. I'm going to be polishing these up after anyways. So today's mission, lay down some gold paint on the face of these rims, and maybe we'll even mount them to the car and see how they look. Let's get after it. This is VHT engine metallic. It's gold flake, if anybody's wondering about the color. But yeah, should look pretty nice. Let's start laying down some gold flake, guys. So I'm gonna start off with doing a bunch of light coats. Don't go crazy, don't try to do one coat and have it looking fully covered. Take your time, do light coats, and you'll get a way better result. First coat all laid down on all 4 rims. Let's let that tack up for a couple minutes, and then we'll go ahead, put another like 3-4 coats on each wheel. Looking good though. Alright guys, so I got about 4 coats on all tires. They're looking super good. I'm gonna let them tack up for probably another 15 minutes, and then I'll hit them with one last coat, and we can unwrap all the paper and see how they look against the chrome. Alright guys, we're all done laying down the gold flake paint. So now I just gotta let it dry, then I can peel off all the paper and see how it looks against the chrome. Stoked. That's the exact color I was going for. Nice and sunny out today too, so those should dry super quick. Those are the rears, fronts. Yeah, let's unwrap these. Well guys, the sun is going down pretty quick here. I did manage to pull the car out, so once these are dry, I'll roll them up next to the car and see how they look. I am so stoked right now, guys. Check that out. Gold centers, polished the lip, night and day difference from how they looked before. There's the fronts. The gold really reflects off the polished lips now too. I'm loving that. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and roll them over against the car and see how they look. Check that out, guys. Those look way better. 10 times better. It's not sunny out right now, so you can't see how shiny they actually are, but compared to how they looked before, night and day difference. There's fronts, rears. I'm gonna get some 295s for the back. These are 265s. So that should help get rid of the stretch. And then I'm gonna get some wheel spacers so they come in line here. But yeah, check that out. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and is helpful on how to paint and polish your rims. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.